What's up, guys? We're back working on the 68 Vet today. We're going to be doing a quick little install of some new battery terminals. As you can see, these are pretty corroded. At least this one's corroded. This one's just old. And we got some new ones that I got at AutoZone. So we're going to be swapping these out. So we're going to be using a 7/16 socket to take this old one off. But first, I'm going to hit it with some WD-40 because it's probably pretty seized on there. And then we'll try to loosen it up, see how it goes. I'm gonna grab some channel locks. That side's going pretty good. And then I might grab a flathead to just kind of pry that open. I did have a right there. Wow. Wow. Look at that. That's not very good, is it? I might cut this wire and honestly just cut some back and then replace it. Probably what I'll end up doing, because that's way worse than I thought it was. Yeah, it'll still be long enough if we cut it. Yeah, look at that. So we'll take these, because I don't have any wire strippers on me at the moment. And you just want to lightly score this. Just to get that insulation off. Well, that's not good. Well, it looks like the wire's corroded even here. So I'm going to cut it back again and strip it back, and we'll see if it's corroded down there. And if it is, then I might have to replace this wire. But we'll see. Hopefully it's not. I think I might just be able to clean that off, and it might be good. Yeah, it's looking better. Just a lot of corrosion dust on it. That doesn't look too bad. So here's our new terminal. Might be a good length, actually. We're gonna cut just a tiny bit. And I have these mats here to catch all my mess so it doesn't get in the car. Yeah, I like that better. Where's that ratchet? Okay, so I found the ratchet. It was under the seat. So make sure, there we go. Open up our terminal. Perfect. And we'll tighten it up. So there's one. And when you tighten this up, you don't really want to have any copper showing on the outside of the terminal. So try your best to get all that wire under the terminal. It's not too bad. So now we'll do the same thing with this other one. And our wire is pretty short, but we're gonna make it work. Thankfully, this one seems pretty easy compared to the last one. The wire's okay. Terminal's not that good of shape. Crazy how the wire fused into it. So we'll loosen up these. It'll help if I put the ratchet the right way. We're going to try to straighten out this wire a little bit.
I'm gonna cut this little piece of rubber off. There we go. We might try that. It should work. Yeah, that'll be fine. As long as it's on there, tight, should be okay. I like it. Now that we have our new terminals on there, all that's left to do is just drop the battery back in and see if everything works. Well, I'm not going to start anything, but clearly you can see the lights came on in the cab, so I think we're good to go. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, I am editing the full detailed video of the car right now, so go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for that. Hope you guys have a good one. Thanks.